Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to not miss any update. Agarwal Packers and Movers DRS Group, Hyderabad. Probably the only household name in the industry of packing and moving in India, is home to over 650 trucks, which include 18-wheeler lorries and 16-wheeler lorries and CHAPP vans and car carriers, creating an entire array of vehicles for the most optimized packing and moving as per the needs of the customers. But it is not enough to purchase and have such vehicles in stock. Due to constant running, the vehicles need proper maintenance in order to function properly, to ensure timely delivery to the customers and safety of the products stored in this vehicle. The warehouse workshop of Agarwal Packers and Movers DRS Group is fully equipped with technicians and the latest technology to ensure the truck's best health. May it be something as simple as inflation, deflation, and air check of tires before every travel, or complicated like fuel injection into the huge engines of the truck. Agarwal Packers and Movers DRS Group is locked and loaded for maintenance of all its truck's needs. The entire process of tire creation and grooving is a regular thing here at the workshop. Welding, branding, and closing of truck with the best quality iron, steel, and metal is what makes our trucks of supreme quality. We make sure all your belongings are protected under the shield of our brand, Agarwal Packers and Movers DRS Group, Hyderabad, the shifting experts. For more details, call now at 93601401 or visit us at www.agarwalpackers.in.